We are fixing the sluggish scrolling and video stuttering you might be experiencing in Google Chrome by optimizing your browser's processing power. To get this running smoothly, move your cursor to the top right corner of your Chrome browser window and click on the three vertical dots to open the main menu. From the drop-down list that appears, scroll down and click on Settings. Once the Settings page opens, take a look at the left sidebar menu. Look down the list until you see the option that says System and click directly on that. Inside the System menu, you will see a toggle switch labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Go ahead and click that switch so it is toggled on. In newer Chrome wording, as you can see on the screen, the setting is called Use Graphics Acceleration when available, but it controls the same feature. Now, the important thing to understand here is the trade-off. Activating this option shifts heavy graphical tasks like video playback and page rendering from your CPU over to your GPU. In my case, this completely eliminates micro stutters and makes the whole browser feel much more responsive. However, the catch is that if your specific graphics card drivers are outdated or having compatibility issues, this setting can occasionally cause your browser to crash or display strange visual glitches. If you ever run into those issues, you can just come back here and toggle it right back off. To make this change active, you need to click the Relaunch button that just appeared right next to the toggle switch. Chrome will automatically close all your tabs and open them right back up in a few seconds. Once it reopens, your browser will fully utilize your graphics hardware for a smoother experience. I hope you found this short tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.